Momentum is the impetus gained by a moving object. It is the product of an object's mass m to its velocity v. So momentum is usually given the letter p, and the p is equal to the mass of an object multiplied by its velocity, which is its speed in a particular direction. So both momentum and velocity have directions, which I indicate with arrows. So the classic example that we're going to look at is a Newton's cradle here. And we're going to look at this video, but before we look, we want to analyze this because you're going to see one of these balls, it will come in and move. So it has this motion. It's got mass, so you can see the ball is mass m. It's got a speed going in that direction, so it's got a velocity. And then what it's going to do, these balls are just sitting here. So it's going to transfer its momentum to the next ball. So it's going to transfer momentum. That ball is going to transfer momentum to the next ball. And that ball is going to transfer momentum to the next ball. So impetus is the force gained or the energy gained. So this ball of the same mass m is going to gain force or gain energy from this moving ball, and that's going to cause this ball to swing up. And it's going to give this ball a velocity v very nearly equal to this velocity of the other ball. So this ball was just sitting here innocently, and all of a sudden it gets this movement. It's got a mass m and a v, and the momentum is delivered by this other momentum being passed through these other balls. So this is what's called a Newton's cradle. So another example of this is if you ever tried to run at full speed and then you throw both feet out to stop on a dime. You want to stop right away. So you plant your feet stick to the ground, and you try and stop. So your feet aren't moving, but the your upper body is still moving. It's still got momentum. It's still got impetus. So it's going to continue to move, and likely you're just going to fall over. You still have momentum to shed before you stop. So now let's take a look at this video here. So you can see that the one ball is moving, and then it transfers momentum to the other balls. So now you can see that he's going to add 2 balls, and it causes 2 to swing. Now when he adds 3, you're going to see there's always 3 that swing up. So this is a Newton's cradle, and it's showing you the transfer of momentum.